Okay, so I'm here with Amy, and she is the oil aficionado. And I don't know if you've ever bought oil from an oil party. I have. And I don't even know what to do with it. In all of my research on toxins, I just read some really scary things on candles. It was really sad. And then there was something that talked about diffusers. I've got about 5 of them, but I've never used them. I just get really confused, so then I just burn my candles. So now I think I'm gonna have to wean myself off candles and get rid of my addiction, and you're gonna help me. And I thought you could help all my friends out there who might wanna know about
essential oil combinations for focus, mood lifting, calming, sleep, seasonal relief, and romance.
First, tell me about candles.
Okay, so there's a few things about candles. Candles in themselves, obviously the smoke, inhalation is bad for a lot of people, especially the people with respiratory issues.
Oh man, did you know that the toxins released from paraffins are the same as diesel fumes?
But then what it's burning, so like the lead and whatever the candle is made of, and fragrance, because
there's lead in wicks, I heard.
Almost every single candle that I've ever owned, you know, when I used to have candles, had a fragrance, right? A scent, and that's one of the things people like about them. Well, it's not natural fragrance from plants and flowers and shrubs. It's toxic fragrance made in a lab that has a huge effect on our endocrine system, and they're cancer causing and hormone disrupting and can actually cause respiratory issues in and of themselves.
So I know there's also some health benefits to having diffusers and oils. So tell me about when I walked in, she was showing me this amazing magic diffuser. And okay, this is so cool. I think I'm obsessed with this, and I think I have to have one of these. Okay, so turn it on. Turn it on. It plays music. It has a light like a candle. So I feel like I'm getting my candles.
All diffusers are so easy. You just fill them up with water, and then you just drop in your oils and you turn them on.
Yeah, and that's what we're gonna get to, is what do we diffuse to make us feel certain ways?
So whenever you inhale anything, whether that be a synthetic fragrance or a natural fragrance,
you're eating it.
And it reaches your heart, liver, and thyroid within 3 seconds of inhaling the scent. There's research on that. Essential oils can actually cross the blood-brain barrier, and they can go into every cell. They're lipid soluble, so they can cross the cell membrane, and they can actually go into your cells. And whenever we smell anything, it goes through our olfactory system, reaches the limbic system of our brain, and that's where the whole cascade of our emotions, our stress cascade, our hormone cascade, all of that, like that monitors our blood pressure, and you know, every hormone that goes throughout your entire body all starts there. And that's also where we store memories and trauma. So essential oils are huge in helping us release, you know, emotional trauma, helping us balance our mood. They can help with so many things just from breathing them in. So the way that they break up the essential oils into such small molecules, they stay in the air.
Yeah.
So they don't just fall and you don't lose them, they stay in the air.
I can't say enough how obsessed, when I become obsessed with something, I'm like obsessed. Like, I want here.
Okay, so our number 1 germ-killing oil is thieves.
Oh yeah, I have some of that.
Yes.
You can eat that, right?
Yes, like that.
And this will smell like a holiday smell, kind of?
So it's a cinnamony smell.
Okay, so it'll give me a holiday feel.
My favorite is to pair it with orange.
Oh.
So I'll put about 3 drops thieves and 3 drops orange, and it just gives it a softer note. It feels like a fall, autumn scent. Yeah. But the orange, bergamot, and cinnamon bark is in there right now, which is gonna help kill germs. The bergamot is gonna be a mood lifter as well as the orange, so it's gonna help boost the mood, balance the emotions, and then also kill the germs. So they last a very long time.
A long time.
Yeah, very long
So
time.
it's going to be cheaper than the candles. Okay, so a Christmas smell. On Christmas, I love to burn Christmas candles, and I'm not going to be able to burn anymore. I'm so sad.
Okay, so
make me happy.
Okay, a very favorite for Christmas is called Christmas Spirit.
Okay.
Smell it.
Let me see how happy I'm going to be.
You can do that one all by itself if you want. Add pine.
Oh, okay. I need Christmas tree.
With it, you're going to get the piney Christmas tree smell.
So Northern Lights for you magical girls out there.
And you can just do that one by itself.
Super magical. Wow.
And so this is a good emotional oil because it makes you feel safe.
Okay, so the next thing is respiratory.
Lovely combo is raven and peppermint. If you're
This
not a
reminds me of a
peppermint
spot.
person,
I'm not.
you would want to add eucalyptus to this.
Okay.
And so another favorite, if you're not super, super congested and you're looking for sleep and breathing support while you sleep, is lavender with eucalyptus.
I need to burn a candle, Amy. Help me.
Oh, I'll drive to your house.
I
I'll
know.
set your diffusers up for you.
So for those of you who have ADHD like I do, there are times when it's really hard for me to focus on something on my crown.
On the crown of your head. Frankincense is wonderful for
She's
focus.
anointing me.
Anointing you.
So if you are taking midterms,
Yeah,
you want to diffuse lemon, peppermint, and frankincense.
Okay.
So now I'm really uptight, I'm agitated,
Uh-huh.
or let's say I have somebody at my house that is agitated and I want them to calm down.
yes, so that's an important
I'm like, calm down.
Yeah.
I'm gonna put this in the room. I need some chill out, calm down oils.
So a nice combo is to do stress away
Okay.
and lime together because lime is one of the oils like we were talking about in stress away, so it's nice to blend them together
okay.
to pull out
So
the lime scent.
So Stress Away has lime.
Uh-huh.
What does Stress Away have in it?
Stress away has vanilla,
Ooh.
ocotea, it has the lime, it has, what else does it have?
Ooh, I feel
Copaiba. I think it
calm.
has copaiba, which is also calming.
I feel calm just
Yeah.
breathing that.
Another really good calming one is peace and calming.
Oh. So if you're stressed out, peace and calming and stress away. So that's good. Now
Or
if
one
you
or the other.
if you know, let's say you don't have some stress away,
Uh-huh.
but you have a lot of oils like I think a lot of people do, and a lot of people have invested in some pricey good oils.
Mm-hmm.
So what would be some oils that would be really great if you're stressed out and you come home?
So lavender.
Okay, lavender we all
If
have.
all else fails, you don't know what to use lavender
Okay.
because it's going to balance everything out.
Okay, now I want to go to sleep.
Yeah.
I am tired and I really want to go to sleep. A lot of people I know have been using pharmaceuticals for years and years. And I think a lot of people are trying to get off of, being dependent on a drug to put them to sleep.
So, but a nice combo that smells nice in the diffuser that's wonderful for sleep is lavender and cedarwood, just the two of them together. And if you aren't a super fan of the lavender and cedarwood alone, adding some tangerine, which is also good for sleep. You can even diffuse like the vetivers and the valerians and whatnot. Now vetiver's thicker, so sometimes it doesn't diffuse as well because it's so thick.
Okay. So now I want to wake up. I've gone to sleep all night and I want to wake up. How do I wake up?
Sometimes we're stressed out in the morning and we want to start our day calm and relaxed and perky. All of the citrus oils are good to perk you up and to wake you up too.
So citrus oils to wake up in the morning.
And peppermint.
So instead of making coffee, I'm going to mix my oils.
Okay,
So I want to be happy now.
Okay, so there are a ton, but one of my favorites is grapefruit, bergamot, and stress away.
Okay, so seasonal relief is
So a good thing to diffuse is lemon, lavender, and peppermint together for that.
Okay, and last but not least, romance. So if you're taking your partner in the room and you want some romance.
Okay, so there's an oil called
What are we gonna do?
Sensation.
Ooh, I like that already.
So,
Let's see.
Sensation alone,
Oh, it is female.
right? It's very female.
Really super female.
It's very female. So you could do that alone.
And I'm gonna have a sensation happening.
You can
through
also
my...
apply it to the thighs if you want.
Oh, nice.
You can even make a lube with your oil.
Oh my gosh, that is great. Okay, we're talking diffusers here. I can't control her.
Here's another option.
Okay.
You could do clary, sage, juniper, and lime. So see what you think that smells like together.
Okay.
We'll mix those up and see what you think.
So we've got clary, sage, lime. Lime's gonna make me feel romantic, and wood. I mean, juniper wood.
And wood.
Yeah, maybe it would. That was a Freudian slip for sure.
There's a more manly one.
Oh yeah, you know
Do
what?
like that one?
Yeah, I am like, I would have never thought lime, juniper, and clary sage would smell romantic. I'm feeling it. I'm starting to feel it.
Good.
I think I need to leave. Ooh, okay, what's that?
So this is Sensation with Cypress.
Ooh,
Now
I
applying
like
these
that.
here because cypress brings circulation
Oh,
Okay.
cypress
with
here.
the thighs area.
For romance, you have to add some wood. Got it. Okay,
Yeah.
I'm clued in. Okay, so go over just some simple smells and what they do. So lavender.
Okay, so it's gonna help relax you.
Mhm.
It can help with sleep, and it can help with balancing your emotions. Lemon is gonna help detoxify the air you're breathing. First of
okay.
all, it can help perk you up,
Uh-huh.
give you energy, and boost your mood. So all the citrus oils are sister
Okay,
oils.
so geranium.
So libido.
Bergamot, 3 words for that.
That's gonna open up your heart chakra, release any kind of boundaries you have or walls of protection that you have,
okay.
and help boost your mood.
Unhealthy.
Unhealthy boundaries.
Peppermint.
Peppermint, again, is wonderful for focus and memory and alertness, opening up the sinuses. It's literally one of my favorites. You can use it for almost
I'm putting it on the bottom of my feet.
Yeah.
Rosemary.
Rosemary is also good for memory retention and for that foggy brain feeling. So if you like the rosemary,
I
you
do.
can use that in lieu of the peppermint.
Yay!
Eucalyptus is going to open up that breathing, the respiratory support. It's also a grounding smell. It's a calming smell for a lot
I
of people.
love eucalyptus. That's why they spray it in the spas.
Mhm.
Frankincense.
Focus, and it's good for prayer and meditation. It's very grounding. It would be good for like yoga practice, calming, grounding, homework, study time.
Sandalwood, one of my
So
favorites.
sandalwood has some of the same benefits as frankincense.
Okay.
So vetiver is wonderful, like we said, for calming. So for sleep, if you again are very hyper and you need to be calm during the day. I actually like it for skin too.
Okay.
Yeah, it's very moisturizing. So a lot of the thicker oils that have that viscosity that are really
You can
nice
put them
to
in a blending
moisturize.
oil and-
For moisture.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, this was awesome. I feel like I might be able to get rid of my candle addiction after what did you say? How did you say that?
Switch and ditch.
Switch and ditch. So I would highly recommend some switching and ditching.
Yeah.
And so that's it.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank
It
you.
was so fun.
Okay, till February.
Disclaimer, these videos are for entertainment purposes only and are not meant to diagnose, cure, or prescribe anything. Please check with your healthcare professionals before doing anything.